Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we're going to talk about control components in React. So in React, control components refer to the input elements whose value is controlled by React state. So the input elements can be simple input fields, or it can be select or any kind of input elements. So suppose we create one input field. So if the value of this input field is controlled by the React state, then the input field will be one controlled component. So let's just create one state using the use state hook. Now as per the definition of the control component, the value will be linked to the state. So the value will come from the state, and every change to the input field will update the state of React. So we have to use the onChange handler, and we're gonna use one callback function, handle change. So let's now define the callback function handle change. So this will take the event object. Now whenever there is any change to the input field, then we're gonna update the state, and the new value will come from the event.target.value. So whenever the user types in the input field, it will trigger the handle change event handler, and it will update the state, and then the value of the input field will come from the state. So this way the form data will always be in sync with the React state, so which gives full control over the input element. So here we have the controlled input component. So if we type, it triggers this callback function which updates the state, and then the state value is reflected back into this input field as a value. So the changes are updated real time and reflected back into this input field. So our input field is fully controlled by the React state. This is why it is called the controlled component. So this approach will be ideal in a scenarios where we want real-time data validation, or if we wanted to manipulate the input data before it's been submitted. So in the next video we're going to talk about uncontrolled component. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.